Good morning, students. How are you today? Today is Thursday and it's the 7th of May 2020. I'm really sorry that I haven't made videos because we were busy about our visas and also my son's passport needs something for it to be renewed. Okay, so today's learning objective is that we are just going to review our activity book. So I want you to get your activity book. Oh, this one is broken. Just put it on the floor. And so I want you to open it to page 19 and 20. So I'm sure some of you answered this already. So I hope you can see here. Okay, so for page 19, we are going to identify the materials in our world. So what it is made of. So in this exercise, you will look at the materials that objects are made of. Find objects made from these materials in the picture. So we are going to find materials that are made of wood, metal, concrete, sand, water, fabric, glass, rock, and wool. We know that wool is the skin or the fur of a sheep, right? An animal. So here in the picture, so what are the things that are made of wood? So let's check. This one, is this made of wood? An X. Is this made of wood? An X. Is this made of wood? No, right? So this one, the tree, we know that a wood comes from a tree. So therefore, this part is made of wood. How about the fence? The fence is something that we put in our house. Like to make gates, stuff like that. So this one is made of wood. And this one is a climbing, we see this in the park, right? You can climb. But this one is not made of wood. How about the chair and the table? Do you think they are made of wood? Yes, you're right. So the chairs, the two chairs and the table are made of wood. How about this? This one is when you paint something, painting stand. So this is also made of wood. Okay, so there's a little plant here. And also the stick or the trunk of the plant is made of wood. Okay, so we are done with the wood. So again, what are the things that are made of wood? We have the tree or this part of the tree, the fence, the table, and the chair. How about this one? This is like where they put sand to play. So this is also made of wood. So what you're going to do is you just put a line and label. Okay, if it is made of wood. So what else? How about metal? So only this thing, a climbing thing. So this one is made of metal. How about concrete? Like concrete, we use it for the walls. We use it to make buildings, for the floor. So which do you think is the concrete here? This part, right? So this part is made of concrete. What else? I think that's it. How about the sand? Where is the sand? Here, right? This is the sand where you can make sandcastle, where you can, if you have toys, like Sea Creatures toys, and you can put, sand on it, and it will form into whatever animal you have for the sand toys. What else? That's it. Okay, how about water? Can you find where's the water? Oh, over here, right? There's a duck swimming in the water. So here is made of water. How about this one? What are these? These are rocks, and rocks are made of rocks. So here also, these are also rocks. And fabric. Fabric are things that we use to make clothes. Pants, t-shirts. So this one is fabric. Here also, the green ones also are made of fabric. So this one, we don't know if this one is made of wood. It's not, it could be a paper, made of paper, like a cardboard, we don't know, right? Okay, what else? Made of fabric. So this one here, the gray ones. And so we are done with fabric. How about the glass? Can you find where's the glass? The materials made of glass? Here, the jar and the drinking glass here. And the water also inside. So these are made of glass. And the rocks here. And the wool, this one. Like wools are white, right? Because it's the skin of the sheep. Okay, so we are done with page 19. Now let's go to page 20. So for page 20, you are going to identify the materials properties. So again, what are some properties of materials? Some materials are strong, hard, and hard is how much or how much it can get scratched, right? And what else? Flexible, bouncy. So here we have a fabric doll, wooden climbing frame, metal tricycle, rubber ball, paper kite, a wool blanket, a plastic skipping rope, and a magnifying glass. I have here a toy magnifying glass. And what does it do? It will make it will make the object becomes big. So like this, if you look at my eyes, now they look big. And my mouth looks so big, right? Or like this. See, if we put here the doll, if like that, it's small, but if put like that, it becomes big. Okay, so this one, but this one is made of plastic. So this one is what's this? Light. The plastic is light. And this one also is transparent, right? Or see-through, where I can see what's behind this this part. Okay. So now let's identify its properties. So here we have light, see-through, warm, shiny, strong, flexible, soft, and bouncy. So fabric doll are this fabric doll is what? It is soft. I have here also a puppet. This is a piggy puppet. Hello, I am a piggy. Ooh. So I am made of fabric and I am soft. I am also light. Woo. Okay, how about the wooden climbing frame? So we know that wood and metal are strong. So the wooden climbing frame is strong. And how about the metal tricycle? We can also say that a metal tricycle is strong, but we know that the other properties of metal is that metal is shiny, right? So here the metal tricycle is shiny. How about the rubber ball? I have here this kind of ball. So if this is also made of rubber, so if I drop it, it will bounce. So this rubber ball is bouncy. Look, it can bounce really, really high. All right, so that ball, the rubber ball, is bouncy. It can go up and down. So we know that paper kite, we know that paper are light and paper also are what? They are not very strong and they are not very hard. But here paper is light. How about the wool blanket? Wool blanket is warm. So in places where there snows a lot, like America, Korea, they will use coats, and some coats have fur, so it can keep them warm. How about a plastic skipping rope? So I have here a purple skipping rope, this one, and I use it to exercise at home, like skip this. Woo, it's really fun. Woo. And then this one is flexible. Flexible means it can be stretched, right? Okay. Now, what else? And of course, the magnifying glass. So some glasses are see-through or transparent, and some plastic also are see-through. So a real magnifying glass, usually the part here is made of metal. Made of glass. But this one is made of plastic, but still it is see-through. All right, so again, thank you very much for listening, and I hope that you will check your work and just take a picture of it and just send it to me. Okay, thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.